Abhishek sir, that what are the some suggestions on managing anxiety in a mental health? That's a very very general question, generic questions which we are getting from the our social media. What is your comment on this?
I think anxiety is something you really cannot remove, as I was saying, earlier. So anxiety is definitely going to be there, but yes, you can manage anxiety by not becoming nervous or let's say panicking, all the time. I've seen people really panicking. So somebody has to get a report. Let's say they're working in sales and there's a time limit, so they have to do it, let's say at 2 p.m. IST. So they start taking the work at the deadline, and then they try to cramp it up, and then they lose their mental health. So instead of doing that, why not use Parkinson's law, where you try to do things in a set time. So let's say I start at 12 p.m. I say I want to finish it in 1 hour, so I'll finish it by 1 p.m. So I still have a 1 p.m. buffer time. So what I highly recommend is to be very productive and not to hurry at the last moment, not to panic,
Mhm.
and just have a strategy to ensure that you are not wasting others time as well, in terms of asking for so many details at the end hour, because that is really going to panic your
Right,
entire team.
right. There's a kahavat of Kabira, kal kare so aaj kare so ab. So these things, two lines, which is definitely going to manage your anxiety, and definitely even we could say
Absolutely.
that the mental exercise like yogasana or the meditation, is it going to helpful for this, Alexa?
Yeah, I mean, this is very useful. I've also tried yoga. It is very useful. So this is there since before
Mm-hmm.
the pandemic. Now people are getting the importance of this, right? So gym and these all things were there, before the pandemic. They were not serious about this,
Mm-hmm.
but now they understand, and they are paying a lot of money, to actually learn this. So this is very useful because you are trying to control your mind, and to control your unconscious mind. That is the major part to win success. So if you can control your unconscious mind, you can really be successful.
Sweet. Thank you so much, Alexa.
Sure, it is always a pleasure to be on webinar. So it's my pleasure to answer all the great questions which the audience has.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alexa.
Thank you, Kunal.